All right, so we are trying to solve a simple problem which appeared in JEE Main 2024. And in this question, there is an information given that alpha, beta, gamma, delta are element of Z. Basically, they are integers. And the vertex or the vertices of the parallelogram are given over here, A, B, C, D. Now we are trying to find out the value of 2 times alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. And then there are two more information points given. One is the length of AB is square root of 10, and the vertex A and C would be lying on this line. So let's quickly create a figure and then try to note down all the information which is given to us. So this is a parallelogram which is to be drawn, and then we have got the points like this. A is alpha, beta, where these are integers, and then B is gonna be 1, 0. C is given as gamma delta, and then D is given as 1, 2. We are supposed to find out the value of this, while the length of AB is also given as root 10, and then also this AC is actually sort of lying on. We can have this, that AC is lying on a line which is given as this 3y equals to 2x plus 1. So all this information is given, but what we will realize that this and this is not going to be required when we try to find out, because we can make use of another property of a parallelogram, that the diagonals of the parallelogram will get bisected at this point, right? And which is actually the midpoint if I'm treating AC as my diagonal. So this will be equal to this, and this will be equal to this. So my midpoint for BD would be same as the midpoint of AC. So what will be the midpoint of BD here, which is O? If I'm taking this, then this will be x1 plus x2 by 2, which is 1 plus 1 by 2. And this is 2 plus 0 by 2, which is gonna be equal to 1, 1 actually. And if I take AC as my diagonal, then the vertex O would be, in this case, will be alpha plus gamma by 2, and then beta plus delta by 2. Okay. Now these 2 points are gonna be same because it's the same point, right? So the x coordinate would be equal to this, and y coordinate will be equal to this as well. So my alpha plus gamma by 2 should be equal to 1, and my beta plus delta by 2 should be equal to 1. And this will give me alpha plus gamma equals to 2, and this will give me beta plus delta equals to 2. What I'm interested to find out is 2 times alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, right? So individually, I don't have to sort of evaluate the values, but rather I could just put these values, because alpha plus gamma is 2, right? So alpha plus gamma is 2 and beta plus delta is 2. So this will be 2 plus 2, 4, and then 4 into 2 will be 8. 2 into, so this is going to be 2 into 4, which is going to give me 8. So 8 will be your answer, and then that is it. Actually, in this question, not much to do. We could have also thought about actually getting into the other way, other territory, wherein we would have actually written alpha and beta in terms of x and y here itself, and gamma and delta as well. But actually that is not needed, because as you can see, we can find it out using just the midpoint approach, right? So that's all for this question. If you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.